Hi, SiliconValleyTom here. Today I'm doing a video on how to remove the Yahoo redirect virus, malware, or whatever you want to call it. When the Chrome browser and you use Google search and you click on the Google search and it's redirected to Yahoo. It happened to me quite a few times. I always forget first time how I removed it, which is the easiest and the most dependable. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, this is what it looks like.
It hijacks Chrome browser and uses Yahoo search instead of Google search.
Okay, so now that you got an idea of what it looks like, and I'm sure you might know if you already have the malware virus Yahoo redirect. I got a couple of websites here, and I'm going to show them to you. This one's telling you to use Zemana AntiMalware, which I think is the best. So these websites are going to say a lot of things. This one says uninstall the malicious program from Windows. Okay, that's fine. This one is saying use Malwarebyte. I used Malwarebyte for other things that worked. For this one, it didn't work. I also tried Hitman Pro, and that one didn't work at all either. I even used the free versions of Hitman, and I used the free versions of Malwarebyte. Both of those I also used paid versions, and they didn't work. But the one that's going to work today is Zemana AntiMalware. The links are going to be in the description. So anyways, here it is. This is the website. So, it offers premium or the free. I'm going to click on the free. It's already downloading. Okay, there you go. And it's quick, actually. So here it is. It's going to be in my downloads. Of course, we know that already. I'm going to go ahead and right-click on it, run as administrator, and I'm going to go yes. Okay. In any case, I don't have the virus on this computer at this point because I already used this software, but this is going to be the way to go. When you install these programs, be careful because sometimes they want to install other things. Sometimes on some softwares, you got to click custom installation so you could uncheck those extra add-ons or whatever they have to offer. Let's take the video. I'm going to click a desktop shortcut and I'm going to go ahead and install it. Now, as far as I know, this laptop does not have any viruses on it. So there it goes. It's running already. It says 15 days remaining. It's a free trial, but if you have this emergency, I would go for this one. I'm going to go ahead and scan it. I don't think there's any virus. Let's see if it finds anything anyway. So it's turning red here. So there we are. We're finished now. It says it found harmful objects detected. Total 46,810. Detected 5. Scan took 7 minutes, 18 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and repair them. So it's cleaning it now. Probably going to do another video for when you get something like this on your Android telephone. But it's clean. In any case, proof will be in the pudding when it removes Yahoo redirect malware or, whatever you want to call it. It will fix it. Harmful objects detected. Okay. That's good enough for me. Yeah, the license, put it in there. So that's it. So there's my video for today. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. Can't emphasize enough. This is what you need here. Zemana AntiMalware. And it's just like it says on their website. Probably the last one you're going to need. Check it out. Let me know. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions at all, past videos or any of my future videos. So that's it. SiliconValleyTom. Thank you. God bless you. Goodbye.